Hey guys, I'm Codemeister, and it's time to code. And welcome to my HTML tutorial number 7, where I'll be teaching you how to use IDs in classes in CSS. But wait, if you're new to HTML and you know nothing about it, I suggest that you go over to my HTML tutorial number 1, so that you can understand the program and learn how to use the coding editor that we are using. But without further ado, let's get to it. So, here we have our simple web page, and in this web page, we have all of our HTML elements that we've been using so far. Now in CSS, the way that we've been pulling these HTML elements to give them some style is by using their tag names. There's a problem with this. If we create a new instance of the HTML element, for example, heading 3, it'll be red, because over here, H3, it says color red. But as you can see, I don't want this heading 3 to be red. I want their color to be blue. Now there's a way to change this, and this is with IDs. Now an ID is a way that you gather one element. And now to create an ID, all we do is type ID is equals to blue. So now I've created an ID, and I've created the ID name. So now we're going to over to our style tag, and we're going to type hashtag. For example, if you had a normal ID in real life, if you were going to school, and the ID number will start with a hashtag. So that's why I said the hashtag. And we're going to give it blue. So that's the name of the ID. And then we're going to type color. As you can see, the color is blue. But I want to try giving this H2 the same ID. And as you see, there will actually be an error. The ID value blue must be unique, because blue is an ID. It's only for one person. Now let's talk about classes. A class is where you can gather multiple HTML elements and give it the same value. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new class, and it starts off with a dot. And we're going to give the class the name of hide. And this hide class what will happen is I want all of the elements to disappear. And to do this, we'll just type display . Great. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this H2 to my class. It's as simple as writing the class hide. And now that HTML element is gone. But unlike the ID, the class can have multiple HTML elements. So you see this image right here, class hide. And it just disappears. This HTML element right here, class hide. And of course we have all of our classes. But now we can actually undo that and make the ID. ID is equals to heading 1. And we can come down here, hashtag heading 1, and change to display block. And the heading will come out. Now, this will be it for this Codemeister video. Please like and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you next time.